Picture this. It's a quiet night in the 60s. You're out in some grassy field, right next to one of those huge radio telescopes, like a giant metal bowl staring up at the stars. Everything's dead still, till the gear starts catching signals that just don't belong. Stuff from billions of years back, totally off the wall. What four things slammed astronomy in that one decade and flipped our whole view of the universe? Stuff so wild, scientists legit wondered if the cosmos was dropping hints. And yeah, the answers aren't what you'd guess. Plus, they hit closer to home than you think. Back then, beefed-up electronic scopes cracked open deep space like never before. Four massive breakthroughs rolled in one after another. First, around 1960, they nailed the first quasars. These suckers had insane redshift, meaning they're billions of light years out, farthest things we'd ever clocked. But get this, they're blasting energy 100, sometimes 1,000 times brighter than our whole Milky Way, 100 billion stars in all. Then, 67, two Brits pick up these razor-sharp radio pulses, tick, 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 like the steadiest clock ever. They even cracked jokes about little green men. Spoiler? Nope. 65, two Americans hunting satellite junk stumble on this faint microwave buzz. Same strength every direction you look. Matches a black body glow at 3 degrees above absolute zero. And right around then, scanning short radio waves between stars, they start spotting real-deal organic molecules, carbon stuff, the kind that builds life, floating out in the void. Let me slow it down. Let it sink in. Quasars. Think solar system sized, outshining 100 billion suns. Tiny footprint, monster power. We've found over 6,000 now, but what's fueling them? Still feels like a puzzle scratched out by light from the dawn of time. Pulsars. Turns out, neutron stars, dead star guts, sun mass crammed into a 10 to 20 kilometer ball. 1 cubic centimeter? 100 million tons. They spin so fast, they beam radio like lighthouses, over 550 known. Surface? 10 million degrees Celsius. Core? 6 billion. Cosmic microwave background. That hum? Not from any star or galaxy, just everywhere. Leftover heat from the Big Bang, cooled to nothing. And those molecules? Not basic gas, actual complex carbon chains drifting in interstellar dust. Same recipe that cooked up life down here. Here's what still creeps folks out. These weren't just cool add-ons. Together, they screamed the universe isn't static. It had a start. It's brutal. And life's ingredients? They're sprinkled through space like confetti. Microwave glows are best Big Bang proof. Pulsars show what happens when stars go supernova hard. Quasars are snapshots from way back, glowing with mystery power. And those molecules? They say life's chemistry isn't some Earth-only fluke. It's out there, waiting. So what's that mean for us, chilling on this little blue dot? It says our universe isn't some old, dead stage. It's young, still ringing with its own birth. The same chaos that birthed pulsars and quasars cooked the iron in your blood. And those space organics? They whisper life might not be a solo act. Could be a galaxy-wide thing. Doesn't make us tiny in a bad way. Makes the sky feel like family. Like we're part of a story that's still unfolding. The 60s kicked that door wide. But every answer just begs bigger ones. What's still lurking out there? What'll the next scopes catch? The cosmos keeps talking. We just gotta stay tuned.